Okay, so for the first dashboard, we need to start with sales revenue by market. So we're going to put market here and sales in the top. We're going to create labels for our sales. So we're going to format these by custom, one decimal place, and millions. Clear that out. Also sort this largest to smallest and rename this market. And we can do our next one, which is profit ratio by market. So we're going to take market into the rows, drag our profit ratio up in the columns, add labels on the profit ratio. Again, we're going to format this. For this time, we're going to do a percentage, one decimal place, and sort this largest to smallest. And we're going to highlight this bottom part of Africa. So we're going to create a set, call that Africa, take it, put it into the colors, edit the colors, and orange. Okay, and we can call this profit ratio by market. Create another one, which is sales revenue by category. So if we take category into the rows and sales up here, and we want labels on our sales, format, numbers, custom, one decimal, millions, and sort that biggest to smallest, and call this sales revenue by category. And create one more, which is profit ratio by category. So we're going to take category one more time, profit ratio on top, sort that biggest to smallest, add our profit ratio labels, format these to be a percentage, one decimal, and then furniture is going to get highlighted. So we're going to create a set. Furniture, come here, find our furniture, it goes into color, edit the colors, and make that orange. Okay, and we'll call that profit ratio by category, and then we'll create a dashboard with all of these. Oh, that's not a dashboard. Create a dashboard with the three or the four that we just made. Make sure I put them in the right spot. And profit ratio by category. So there's our first one. Now we're going to need another sheet for the next one, which is profit ratio in the African market. We're going to take our country, or our market, sorry, filter it to just Africa, and then put country in the rows, and in the columns, we're going to put profit ratio. But then we're going to come over here to show me and collect this map version, and we're going to call this ratio in African market. And then the next one we need for this is profit by country in Africa. So we're going to again take market, select this to just Africa, and then find country in the rows, profit in the columns, sort this largest to smallest, and then we're going to need a label on our profit. And then these three are going to get colored. So now that we have these three, we'll create a set. And then take this, put it on the colors, edit in an orange to make those orange. We'll call this profit by country in Africa. And then create another dashboard with those three we just made. So we'll go profit ratio by market. Then the map that we created on the bottom with the profit by each country. And then the last one we need to make is we need profit ratio by subcategory. So if we take our category and filter it to just furniture, and then take subcategory into the rows in the columns, we're going to do profit ratio. Put that up here. And then we're going to add labels. So we're going to put profit ratio on the label, format that to be a percentage of 1 decimal. And then this tables is also going to get highlighted. So we'll create that, come here, tables on color, edit colors to orange, call this profit ratio by subcategory of furniture. And then we're going to need one more, which is negative profit of table by country. So we're just going to go to the subcategory, filter this to just tables, and then put the subcategory back in the rows with profit on the top. Nope. Take the subcategory out, and we're going to put countries in so that we have countries. Then we're going to filter that smallest to largest, and we're just going to take up down to Sweden. So we're going to select all these top ones. We're going to create a set. No, we're going to keep only. And now that we have those, we're going to add sales to the other side. So sales is going to go on the right there, and then you have both. This will be negative profit of table by country. Then we can create our last dashboard, which is going to have profit by category, the two that we just made, negative profit, and that there, and then I'll clean up these on the side, and there, that's your last dashboard.